Lentils, among the oldest cultivated legumes, have been a staple in human diets for thousands of years. They belong to the legume family and are known for their high nutritional value, versatility, and ability to thrive in various climatic conditions. Their origins trace back to the Near East, where archaeological evidence suggests they were consumed as early as 9,500 years ago. Today, lentils are grown in many parts of the world, with India being the largest producer and consumer. The nutritional profile of lentils is impressive. They are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a vital food source, especially in vegetarian and vegan diets. The various types of lentils, including brown, green, red, and black, each possess unique flavors and textures, contributing to their popularity in diverse culinary traditions. Lentils are not only significant for their nutritional content but also for their environmental benefits, requiring less water and fertilizer than many other crops. This makes them a sustainable choice for both consumers and farmers alike. The culinary versatility of lentils is one of their most appealing attributes. They can be incorporated into a wide array of dishes, ranging from soups and stews to salads and side dishes. Each type of lentil has its own cooking characteristics. For example, red lentils cook quickly and tend to break down, making them ideal for soups and purees, while green and brown lentils retain their shape and are excellent in salads or as a side dish. The rich, earthy flavor of lentils pairs well with various spices and ingredients, allowing them to shine in cuisines around the globe. In Indian cuisine, lentils are central to many dishes, including dal, a hearty stew often served with rice or bread. In Mediterranean cuisine, they are featured in salads and spreads, while in Middle Eastern cooking, they are often used in soups and pilafs. Lentils can also be transformed into plant-based protein sources, such as lentil burgers and lentil pasta, appealing to the growing number of consumers seeking alternatives to meat. Their ability to absorb flavors makes them a fantastic ingredient for creative cooking, encouraging experimentation in the kitchen. Beyond their culinary appeal, lentils offer a wealth of health benefits that make them an essential part of a balanced diet. Rich in plant-based protein, lentils provide an excellent alternative to meat, making them a favorite among vegetarians and vegans. They are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and contributes to feelings of fullness. Lentils are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, magnesium, and potassium, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining overall health. For instance, folate is vital for DNA synthesis and repair, while iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood. Additionally, lentils are low in fat and cholesterol-free, making them heart-healthy food options. Research has shown that incorporating lentils into the diet may lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Their high antioxidant content further contributes to their health benefits, as antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. The diverse nutritional benefits of lentils make them a powerful ally in promoting health and well-being. Sustainability is another key aspect of lentil cultivation that highlights their importance in modern agriculture. As the world faces challenges such as climate change and resource scarcity, lentils emerge as a viable solution due to their low environmental impact. They require significantly less water than many traditional crops, making them suitable for cultivation in arid regions. Moreover, lentils are nitrogen-fixing plants, meaning they can naturally enrich the soil by converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. This process reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment. By improving soil health, lentils contribute to more sustainable agricultural practices and help maintain biodiversity. Furthermore, their resilience to climate variability makes them a crucial crop for food security in the face of changing weather patterns. As consumers become increasingly aware of the environmental impacts of their food choices, lentils provide a sustainable option that supports both personal health and the health of the planet. In addition to their environmental benefits, lentils also play a significant role in cultural and social contexts. They have been a part of human diets across cultures for millennia, with various traditions celebrating their importance. In many cultures, lentils symbolize prosperity and are often served during significant events and celebrations. For example, in Italy, lentils are traditionally consumed on New Year's Eve as a symbol of good fortune and wealth in the coming year. In Indian culture, lentils are a staple food and are often associated with community and family gatherings, where meals are shared and enjoyed together. Moreover, lentils are gaining recognition in modern food movements that promote plant-based diets and sustainable eating practices. As the demand for ethical and environmentally friendly food options grows, lentils are being embraced not only for their health benefits but also for their role in fostering community and cultural connections. Initiatives aimed at promoting pulses, including lentils, are helping to raise awareness about their nutritional and environmental advantages, encouraging people to incorporate them into their diets. In conclusion, lentils are a remarkable food source that encompasses a wide range of benefits, from their rich nutritional profile and culinary versatility to their sustainability and cultural significance. As a staple in diets worldwide, they offer numerous health advantages while promoting environmentally friendly agricultural practices. The continued exploration and appreciation of lentils can pave the way for more sustainable food systems and a deeper understanding of the connections between our food choices, health, and the planet. By incorporating lentils into our diets, we not only nourish ourselves but also contribute to a more sustainable and interconnected world. Whether enjoyed in traditional recipes or innovative dishes, lentils are a testament to the power of nature's bounty, providing sustenance for both body and soul. Lentils are a staple food with a rich history that spans thousands of years, serving as a crucial source of nutrition across various cultures. Their origins can be traced back to the Mediterranean region and the Middle East, where they were first domesticated around 8000 BCE. Archaeological findings indicate that lentils were consumed by ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, who valued them for their nutritional benefits and ease of cultivation. Today, lentils remain a vital component of diets worldwide, with numerous varieties such as brown, green, red, and black lentils, each offering unique flavors, textures, and culinary applications. The high protein content of lentils, combined with essential vitamins and minerals, makes them particularly appealing to vegetarians and vegans seeking plant-based protein sources. Additionally, lentils are a sustainable crop, requiring less water and fertilizer than many other legumes and grains, thus playing a vital role in food security and environmental sustainability. The diverse varieties of lentils contribute to their popularity in global cuisines, with each type offering distinct culinary uses. Brown lentils are commonly used in soups and stews, where they retain their shape and provide a hearty texture. Green lentils, known for their slightly peppery flavor, are perfect for salads and side dishes, adding a nutritious component to various meals. Red lentils, which cook quickly and become soft, are often used in Indian dals and soups, providing a creamy consistency that enhances the dish's flavor. Black lentils, or beluga lentils, are visually striking and often featured in gourmet recipes due to their rich taste and ability to hold their shape. The adaptability of lentils allows them to be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, including curries, casseroles, and even desserts. Their ability to absorb spices and flavors makes them a favorite in many culinary traditions, encouraging experimentation in the kitchen and inviting creativity in meal preparation. From a nutritional standpoint, lentils are packed with health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a popular choice for those looking to reduce meat consumption while maintaining adequate protein intake. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides approximately 18 grams of protein, alongside a wealth of dietary fiber that aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The high fiber content of lentils promotes a healthy gut and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, lentils are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Folate is particularly important for pregnant women, as it supports fetal development and helps prevent neural tube defects. The iron in lentils is crucial for preventing anemia, while magnesium and potassium contribute to cardiovascular health. Including lentils in one's diet can promote healthy eating patterns and provide vital nutrients necessary for maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Sustainability is a critical aspect of lentil cultivation, making them a favorable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Lentils require significantly less water compared to many other crops, such as rice and wheat, making them suitable for cultivation in areas facing water scarcity. They are also nitrogen-fixing plants, which means they can enrich the soil by converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form usable by plants. This process reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, thereby minimizing the environmental impact of agricultural practices. The cultivation of lentils supports sustainable farming methods that promote soil health and biodiversity, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change and enhance food security. As consumers increasingly seek sustainable food sources, lentils emerge as a valuable option that contributes to both personal health and the health of the planet. Lentils also play a significant role in cultural practices and social connections around the world. In many cultures, they are associated with tradition, family gatherings, and celebrations. For instance, in Indian households, lentils are often prepared in various forms during festivals and special occasions, symbolizing nourishment and abundance. In Italy, lentils are traditionally served on New Year's Eve, representing good fortune and prosperity for the coming year. Lentils have become integral to the identity of many cuisines, with traditional recipes being passed down through generations. Furthermore, initiatives promoting the consumption of pulses, including lentils, have gained momentum globally as a means to address health and environmental issues. Organizations and campaigns are encouraging communities to embrace lentils and other legumes, emphasizing their nutritional benefits and sustainability. By integrating lentils into modern diets and culinary practices, people not only honor their cultural significance but also foster a sense of community and shared values around healthy eating. In summary, lentils are a remarkable food source that encompasses a wealth of benefits, from their rich historical significance and nutritional value to their sustainability and cultural importance. As a versatile ingredient, they can be used in various dishes, appealing to diverse culinary preferences. The continued appreciation and consumption of lentils can help promote healthier diets, support sustainable agriculture, and strengthen cultural connections. As we navigate the challenges of modern food systems, lentils stand out as a beacon of nutrition and sustainability, inviting individuals and communities to explore their many culinary possibilities and health benefits. Embracing lentils in our diets not only nourishes our bodies but also contributes to a more sustainable and interconnected world, ensuring that this ancient legume continues to thrive in the contemporary landscape of food and culture. Lentils have been cultivated and consumed by humans for thousands of years, with their history intricately woven into the fabric of many cultures. Archaeological evidence indicates that lentils were among the first crops to be domesticated in the Near East, dating back to approximately 8000 BCE. Ancient civilizations, such as the Mesopotamians, Egyptians, and Greeks, recognized the nutritional value of lentils, incorporating them into their diets as a primary source of protein and sustenance. As trade routes expanded, lentils spread to various regions, becoming integral to the cuisines of India, the Middle East, Europe, and beyond. Today, lentils continue to be a staple food in many households, appreciated not only for their health benefits but also for their cultural significance. In many societies, lentils symbolize prosperity and are often featured in traditional dishes during celebrations and festivals. Their rich history reflects humanity's long-standing relationship with this humble yet powerful legume. Lentils are available in several varieties, each offering distinct flavors, textures, and culinary uses. The most common types include brown, green, red, and black lentils. Brown lentils are the most widely consumed variety and are known for their earthy flavor and ability to hold their shape when cooked. They are commonly used in soups, stews, and casseroles. Green lentils, often described as having a slightly peppery taste, are prized for their firm texture and are often used in salads and side dishes. Red lentils, which cook quickly and tend to break down, are ideal for curries and soups, where their creamy consistency enhances the dish. Black lentils, also known as beluga lentils due to their resemblance to caviar, are rich in flavor and often used in gourmet recipes. The versatility of lentils allows for endless culinary possibilities, encouraging experimentation in the kitchen and inviting individuals to explore various international cuisines. Their ability to absorb spices and flavors makes lentils an excellent canvas for creativity, catering to both traditional and modern culinary preferences. Nutritionally, lentils are an exceptional food source, providing a wealth of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. One of their most notable attributes is their high protein content, which makes them an excellent alternative to meat for those seeking plant-based protein sources. A single cup of cooked lentils contains approximately 18 grams of protein, making them a valuable component of vegetarian and vegan diets. Additionally, lentils are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes a sense of fullness. The high fiber content of lentils supports gut health and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, lentils are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Folate is crucial for DNA synthesis and cellular function, while iron is necessary for oxygen transport in the blood. The combination of protein, fiber, and micronutrients in lentils makes them an integral part of a balanced diet, supporting overall health and well-being. The environmental sustainability of lentil cultivation is another compelling reason to include them in our diets. Lentils are considered a sustainable crop due to their low resource requirements compared to many other legumes and grains. They require significantly less water and fertilizer, making them suitable for cultivation in regions facing water scarcity. Additionally, lentils are nitrogen-fixing plants, which means they have the unique ability to enrich the soil by converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. This natural process reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, benefiting both the environment and farmers. As concerns about climate change and resource depletion grow, lentils emerge as a sustainable food source that contributes to more resilient agricultural practices. By choosing lentils over more resource-intensive crops, consumers can support environmentally friendly farming methods while enjoying the numerous health benefits this legume offers. Culturally, lentils hold significance in various societies, representing tradition, nourishment, and community. In many cultures, lentils are a symbol of good luck and prosperity. For instance, in Italy, lentils are traditionally eaten on New Year's Eve as a harbinger of wealth in the coming year. In India, lentils are a staple food and are often prepared during festivals and special occasions, symbolizing abundance and family togetherness. Lentils have transcended their role as a mere food source to become integral to cultural practices and celebrations, connecting people through shared meals and traditions. Furthermore, as the demand for plant-based diets grows, initiatives promoting the consumption of pulses, including lentils, are gaining traction worldwide. These initiatives aim to raise awareness about the nutritional and environmental advantages of lentils, encouraging people to incorporate them into their diets. By embracing lentils, individuals can honor their cultural significance while contributing to a more sustainable and interconnected food system. In conclusion, lentils are a remarkable food source that embodies a rich history, impressive nutritional benefits, and cultural significance. Their versatility in the kitchen makes them an appealing ingredient for a wide range of dishes, from traditional recipes to modern culinary innovations. As we navigate the challenges of food security and environmental sustainability, lentils stand out as a beacon of nutrition and resilience. By incorporating lentils into our diets, we not only nourish ourselves but also support sustainable agricultural practices and celebrate cultural connections. As we continue to explore the vast world of lentils, we are reminded of their timeless appeal and the vital role they play in fostering health, sustainability, and community across the globe.